here I have a single, lone, sad thunder rig. So I'm going to cut it in half and make two. I'm going to cut it on my 10-inch high-tech diamond saw with the continuous diamond blade, the thin sintered model. And we're going to cut it right down the middle right here in hopes to get some of that core and expose some hopefully eggity goodness. So let's fire up our saw and see what's going on inside. Ooh, not too bad. Not too bad. A couple minutes. Get you some better light here. Let's check out this thunder egg. Oh, yes. What? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Hold on. Check this out. What is that? Some galactic looking thing. Oh my gosh. It's the top of Minnesota right there. Get out of here. I see it. Or a bird. I see the top of Minnesota right there. That is sweet. I could tell that this is going to be a good one because as soon as I started cutting it, it was very hard to cut. And that means there's a good core in there. That is so exciting. Oh, I'm very, very excited. Very, very excited about that. What a beauty. Even down in here, you can see it's kind of clear. The depth inside there's like some mossiness going on. I'm going to let the cat out of the bag now. I'm going to polish the heck out of this thing. And I can't wait to show you what this looks like all polished up. We grind away some of these saw marks and stuff that's in here. And let's see if we can see it. Some of those saw marks. Start cleaning this face up. We'll see some of these details even more. It's going to be so awesome. So let's head inside, fire up the Cabking, and we'll get to polishing this beauty. Down the highway. So we got the hood off of our Cabking and looking at this one. Man, this used to have some teeth where like this would hurt. Like I can get a little bit of that here on 600, but this whole thing, I feel actually really proud. Like the whole surface of it is toast. It's so smooth. I feel good. Didn't waste it. It's ready to be replaced. So let me grab something here. And we'll start taking all the parts off of this. Golly. There we are. I should just replace that too. I don't even know if I have one. Come on. There you are, you little stinker. So I got a box here. It's got some brand new 600 grit and 280 grit of the res wheels. If you guys are interested in upping your wheel game, get these res wheels. These things are awesome. I've had these for these are original to when I started using them. I can't exactly remember. I'm going to put it up on the screen now. I'll let you know exactly when I started using these, and this is the first time I'll have had replaced them, and I use my unit all the time. So they're great, really, really great wheels, and they last quite a long time. I think it's been a while. But yeah, I'll put the link for these in the description below. They are going to be on Cabking's website, and you you can get 10% off your res wheels. So let's get this one put on. Here it is. Golly. See what I'm talking about? Hold on. Look at the difference in the two. Man, we put it to good use. It makes me feel good. Like this one, I'm not going to say it hurts, but it catches and binds on your finger. This one is just smooth. You can actually see like a sheen on this right here. All right, let's get this one put on. Can't forget our 220 grit wheel. So we got our new wheels put on. I just have to get the housing put back on. And then I need to break these bad boys in. And just like that, our brand new res wheels are broken in and they're ready for use, but I am so tired and it would not be safe for me to continue polishing, so I'm not going to. We're going to pick this back up tomorrow. Luckily for you, it's only going to take a second, but I'm going to go catch some Z's. We'll see you right now. And I'm really excited because it's a brand new day, got plenty of sleep, and I'm really excited to try out these new res wheels and see how it fares on our cut Thunder Eggs. So let's get to it and wrap these babies up. Well, what was supposed to be a very short and sweet project turned into a very classic project. Took a lot longer than anticipated. A lot of curveballs thrown at us, but we got through it. And these Thunder Eggs that we polished look so good. And you can see inside them to that beautiful depth. You got to check this out. So here's our polished Thunder Egg halves. And this is the lesser of the two, in my opinion. And it looks awesome. You can see the light playing on that. Right down here, there's some pretty cool depth that it's kind of hard to see with this camera. It looks pretty sweet. And I think the polish took very well on this, especially after we got those wheels replaced. And here is the better of the two. Got the Minnesota right up there. Look at that. Okay, so this is Minnesota here. This is where Wisconsin's at, and looks like some sort of virus outbreak from some sort of tainted cheese, I'm assuming. But you know, it's all in the stone. That's not me. But anyways, this looks awesome. First Thunder Egg I've ever polished. Looks really good. Sorry about the smudge from my finger right there. I really love how this turned out. This is very, very sweet. Both of them. Really happy with that. Faced a lot of adversity with this project. Doing some things I probably should have done a few days ago. But anyways, these turned out awesome. Very happy with my very first Thunder Egg polishing experience. These are really, really special. Love them. Jeez, that's close. Whoa, too close. All right. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun cutting that open and had a lot of fun polishing it. Like I said, even though we had to change the wheels up, but had to be done. And now we are able to get better polishes now that we have brand new wheels. And the more I was playing with it, I was starting to feel even the 1200 grit wheel is probably needing to get replaced. I have an extra one, so I'm going to pop that thing on here once we're done. Make sure that's good to go. And yeah. It was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Let me know what you'd like to see cut or polish next. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.